Hello and welcome back to our gardening channel. Today we're going to be talking about Ilex Schilling. Ilex Schilling is a species of holly native to China. It was named after Dr. Frederick A. Schilling, a physician and horticulturist who introduced the plant to the United States in the early 20th century. Ilex Schilling is an evergreen shrub or small tree that can grow up to 20 feet tall and wide. It has glossy dark green leaves that are elliptical in shape and spiny along the margins. The plant produces small white flowers in the spring, followed by bright red berries in the fall that persist throughout the winter. The berries are a food source for birds and other wildlife. Ilex Schilling grows best in well-drained soil and full to partial sun. It is drought tolerant and can also tolerate a range of soil types, including sandy, loamy, and clay soils. The plant is hardy to USDA zones 7 through 9 and can tolerate temperatures down to around 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Ilex Schilling can be used as a specimen plant in a landscape or as a hedge. It can also be planted with other evergreen shrubs such as boxwood or camellia, or with deciduous plants for a mixed planting. Ilex Schilling is grown primarily as an ornamental plant for its attractive foliage and berries. The plant can be used in a variety of landscape settings, including as a specimen plant, hedged, or mixed planting. The berries are also a food source for birds and other wildlife. In traditional Chinese medicine, the leaves of Ilex Schilling are used to make a tea that is believed to have various health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving digestion. However, more research is needed to confirm these benefits. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed learning about Ilex Schilling. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and plant information. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.